Indonesia is not just wonderful. Indonesia is a wonderland.
Good morning, Averted Society. Welcome to the International Community Service Program held by Kardiman PhD, Agriculture Faculty, Borobudur University, Indonesia. I offer new concept about regional industrial development by use of green energy, green industry for green prosperity by hydropower industrial park base. I would like to expose a pilot project of the Suntanga hydropower 40 megawatt generating electricity of Bumi Asri Special Economic Zone at Selatan Regency, West Sumatra, Indonesia.
How it works, hydroelectric power. Water at high level is collected at a head pond reservoir. It's flowed into the pipe called penstock. Water carried down into the turbine at a water wheel at a lower water level. Water pressure increase as it flows down at penstock and drive turbine was connected with generator. After the energy is generated at a power plant, it must be moved to your home. It goes through a step-up transformer, which converts it to high voltage electricity. This energy travels long distance using high voltage transmission towers and line. Then the energy goes through a step-down transformer. Typically, substation electric leave the substation and travel to your house or industry through overhead or underground distribution line. Then, when you turn on your light or machine, you instant pot or your TV computer, your industry machine there to make it happen. The most fascinating part, the process of generating, transmitting, and distributing energy happens almost instantaneously. Green industry is very urgent need and necessity, which is an industry that prioritizes efficient and effective use of resources in sustainable manner and maintains environmental sustainability. The existing industry region will be developed into smart eco-industrial parks that prioritize environmental, economic, and social, as well as improving connectivity and communication with minimizing environmental impact and digital transformation. Effective use of sustainable resources and maintaining the environment in the production process, starting from selecting raw materials, production equipment, production process, towards disposal so that it is environmentally friendly. The Green Industrial Policy is also accompanied by a Green Industrial Certificate. This certificate is to mark and appreciate industries that have implemented a green industry model. The Green Industry Certificates are useful in providing added value for companies, thereby increasing public confidence about their product. The importance of sustainability industry extended beyond immediate benefits from reduced carbon emission and resources conservation, but extended beyond to give a legacy to next generation. Hydropower Industrial Park pilot project at the Suntanga Hydropower Plant, 40 megawatt, consists of 200,000 hectares for Selatan still at forest, virgin forest. There is as a very rich medical plantation resources to be herbal medical product, and then palm oil product base, rubber product base, and so on. The project also includes protection of the forest in the hydro project catchment area, funded by hydro project revenue to conserve the water resources, reducing soil erosion, improve forest management. The project will also fund the agriculture cooperative to provide training programs for farmers to increase income from cinnamon, coffee, spices, plant cultivation and processing. The project is indeed to address the problem that limited access to power is stunting economic growth in village, and that is lack of knowledge among smallholder farmers, and funds production and conservation techniques have led to unstable land use. Poor result is term of quality and yet yield, and farming choice that could contribute to increasing greenhouse gas emission and risk to South Solok natural. Kusantanga hydropower plant produce electricity and then good impact to tourism and a very good impact to agriculture also. Electricity, local grid stability, local industry, tourism, Taman Nasional Kerinci Sebelat National Park, hot water boom, Bumi Asri ecotourism, and then about the agriculture, very good for two coffee bean industry, food and drink industry, palm oil industry base, rubber industry base, metal industry base, so that the disease will be good for energy security, food storage, for cooling, fish farmer, job creation, housing, healthcare, higher education, increase money, and extra. What are regional impacts happened in Solok, Selatan? Social, more jobs, higher paid job, new housing, healthcare improvement, infrastructure improvement, education and training. Commercial, new investment, startup and innovation, generation of export, generation of foreign currency, increased tax revenue, environmental consciousness, and extra. Solok Selatan is one of the green regions refers to MCI and UNESCO World Heritage Center. The new sustainable business model consists of people, profit, planet. In the new business model, the industries are called to action against climate change, as the customer grows more and more environmentally selective. Solok Selatan Industrial Park, where the bio-industry processing area has good prospect and rich resources. For example, palm oil product base, and will process 3.5 million tons per year in 2030 forecasting, and will process 2.5 million tons potatoes per year, will process 235,000 ton tomatoes, will process 12,000 ton corn per year, 51,000 tons per year cocoa.
Anak manis janganlah dicium, sayang kalau dicium merah pipinya. Kampung nan jauh di Batu, Kunwangsan sebaku lilian, takkan acuh kawan-kawan nalamu, sangke basuh yang surya.
And will be processed herbal medicine product, perfume product, for example gaharu, rubber products base will be processed about 488,000 tons per year. Cattle and meat product base also. At special economic zone, these are the government strategic policies to be developed as center of economic growth, national economic equity, supporting industrialization, and increasing employment in Indonesia. The area with the ultimate incentive in presented to a domestic and foreign investor.
Anak kambing saya, anak kampung tuan, ada di pohon. Mana-mana jantung hati saya, jantung hati tuan ada di kampung baru.
Special economic zones will give the many incentives. Fiscal incentive consists the education or corporate income tax, special facilities to tourism fees, and custom and excise incentive. There is no fiscal incentive, but government will give non-fiscal incentive also. There is easy to permit and license, control good regulation not apply, no negative list, Indonesia national standard not mandatory, environmental assessment license by developer, building permit by developer, no export obligation, property ownership for foreigners, special tripartite forum, immigration, land title for 8 years. Selatan Industrial Park or Hydro Industrial Park base will give green energy, green industry to green prosperity.
Thank you for watching. Hope always success and see you again.